The Toyota Commemorative Museum of Industry and Technology lets you experience the essence of the world-renowned Toyota Motor Corporation. You can learn about the evolution from textile machinery, one of the key industries that helped build modern Japan, to automobile engineering that continues to drive today's development through dynamic exhibits of real machines and various demonstrations. On display in the lobby is the circular loom, which symbolizes the museum's core philosophy of communicating to society the importance of monozukuri. Step into the Textile Machinery Pavilion, and you'll find a reproduction of a spinning mill from the Taisho and early Showa periods. About 100 units, from early tools for spinning and weaving to machinery and modern textile machinery, are exhibited in a large open space of 3,468 square meters. Explanations and demonstrations given by the staff will help you clearly understand the company's technological advancements.
The bottom one is pushed inside by the lever, metal lever, so it doesn't drop. And then pull it, pull to break it. Yeah!
The Automobile Pavilion reproduces the entire automobile factory on a total area of 7,900 square meters. The exhibition consists of 5 zones: the initial period of the automobile business, automobile development through the decades, automobile technology, production technology, and who was Kiichiro Toyota?
This is the first car Toyota sold. So a sedan produced in 1936. It is wider than the front side.
You can follow the history of Toyota Motor Corporation and see, listen, and learn about the origins of monozukuri.
And then the unnecessary parts is dropped down there, and they are collected and then reproduced. These welding machines are still actually used in the factory.
You can also enjoy delicious Western cuisine at the restaurant Brick Age in the museum. In addition, the Museum Cafe offers a halal menu, so anyone can use the cafe worry-free. The Toyota Commemorative Museum of Industry and Technology's mission is to communicate to society the importance of monozukuri and the spirit of being studious and creative to those who will be responsible for the future development of Japan's manufacturing technology through textile machinery, which helped build modern Japan and the evolving world of automotive engineering that continues to drive today's developments.